You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this social media, as well as how to say more brand names that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In British English, it is normally said as Twitter, Twitter. In American English, however, it is generally said as Twitter, Twitter. In American English, Twitter, or Twitter in British English. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.